Hey guys, today we're gonna go ahead and put in our ignition switch panel. It's push button to start. I'm gonna show you how to wire it up. Let's go. This ignition switch and push start button is from Longacre, given to me by my brother Cameron for this build. I'm gonna give him a shout. Thank you, Cameron. So brown wire is your 12 volt constant. Yellow wire is your ignition on. And dark green is your starter. Now, if you look at the diagram, it shows your light green and violet is the 12 volt constant. The gray and yellows are 12 volt on. Your white and violet and orange are also 12 volt on. And your dark green, well, that goes to your starter. That'll match up with the dark green on the harness. Let's pull the ignition plug in and get started. Alright, so start dark green. Starter. Sorry, I forgot my wire strippers work. I'm going to pause for a moment, take a quick look at the wiring diagram. Mind you, follow the gray and yellows. They go to the light control module and the multifunction switch. Since I'm not running lights, and I definitely don't need blinkers, those are not getting cut. I'm only cutting the white and violet, the violet and orange, the two light green and violets, and the dark green. Alright, so let's see. Fire it up. Yeah. Sorry about the wine, I gotta replace the alternator. Or at least the pulley. I need to put a solid pulley on it and take the clutch pulley off of it. I hope that helps anybody. If that works for you, works for me. Remember, I only cut 5 wires off the ignition switch and left the 2 gray wires. Any questions? Message me if you need to. Other than that, that video should pretty much get you through whatever you need to on a push start. Have a good day.